Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed that they will not be making any signings during the current January transfer window. The club's sporting director, Bobby Motown, has publicly stated that Chiefs are not actively pursuing new players at this stage. According to him, the club would only consider a signing if a suitable player becomes available, but for now, they have chosen to stay inactive in the market. This announcement puts to rest several transfer rumors that had been circulating. Chiefs were previously linked with players such as Tshegofatso Mabasa from Orlando Pirates and Puso Dithajane from TS Galaxy, among others. However, those reports have proven to be unfounded. Dithajane has officially completed a move to Chicago Fire FC in the United States, meaning Chiefs have missed out on another potential target. Mabasa was also widely rumored to be on his way to Naturena, but current indications are that he is finalizing a deal with Stellenbosch FC, where he is set to join from Orlando Pirates. As things stand, Kaizer Chiefs have not signed a single player this season. There is still a slim possibility that the club could act late in the window, but for now, their main targets have already been snapped up by other teams. This has led to criticism from some football fans who feel Chiefs are falling behind while their rivals strengthen. Both Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates have already added 3 new players each during this window. With no new arrivals at Kaizer Chiefs so far, many supporters are questioning the club's transfer strategy. Is this a smart move or a risky one? Kaizer Chiefs fans, what's your take? Good decision or a cause for concern? Share your thoughts.